So if you've been looking for a simple way to make money online without investing anything, this is the video you've been waiting for, because today I'm showing you the best GPT website to make money online, where you can literally get paid to play mobile games, try out apps, and even watch short videos. The site is called Freecash.com, and it's one of the easiest and most legit ways for beginners to start earning in 2026. You don't need any followers, skills, or experience, just your phone or computer and a few minutes a day. I'll put a link down below in the description and pinned comment for you, just to make it easy for you to find. And by clicking that link, you'll get yourself a free case to open with a chance to win up to $250. Now, in case you're new to this, a GPT website basically means get paid to. It's a platform that pays you real money for completing simple online tasks, stuff like testing mobile games, watching videos, downloading apps, or filling out short surveys. The reason this works is simple. Advertisers and app developers are willing to pay users to try out their products, and sites like Freecash share that profit with you. It's basically a win-win situation. They get engagement and you get paid. And unlike a lot of sketchy apps, these ones pay consistently. You can cash out daily through PayPal, crypto, or even gift cards from stores like Amazon or Google Play. So why Freecash? Well, for one, they've paid out over $40 million to users so far, and they're rated one of the highest trusted GPT sites online. The interface is super easy to use, and every offer clearly tells you how much you'll earn before you even start. You can make anywhere from a few dollars a day to $100 plus, depending on how much time you put in. Tasks like playing mobile games usually pay the most, while surveys and app installs are great for quick cash. You'll also earn daily bonuses and XP rewards that boost your income the longer you stay active. It's not complicated. It's literally pick a task, complete it, and cash out. To get started, just head to freecash.com and create a free account. Once you log in, you'll see a list of offers you can sort by payout, difficulty, or time. If you're a total beginner, start small. Pick a quick task that takes a few minutes, like downloading a game or watching a short video. As you complete more offers, you'll start getting higher paying ones. And if you stay consistent, you'll unlock daily streak bonuses, giveaways, and leaderboard rewards that give you even more cash over time. I tested this myself for a few weeks, and it's one of the easiest, fastest ways to earn money online in 2026, especially if you're just starting out. Now, just to clear it up, yes, Freecash is 100% legit. It's backed by real advertisers. It pays fast, and you can cash out instantly once you hit the minimum balance. It's not one of those fake survey sites that take forever to pay. It's an established, trusted platform that's actually fun to use. So yeah, if you want to start earning online the easy way, playing games, watching videos, and testing apps, check out freecash.com. I'll put a link down below in the description and pinned comment for you, just to make it easy for you to find. And by clicking that link, you'll get yourself a free case to open with a chance to win up to $250. It's free, beginner friendly, and genuinely one of the best GPT websites to make money online right now. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more easy online income ideas, and comment below how much you made on your first day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.